Right, so let's take a look at how you can install PostgreSQL on Ubuntu. So first thing, we'll search for PostgreSQL. Now we can go to official website, and there you will have to find the downloads page. Right, so clicking on that should show you the options where you can install PostgreSQL. So click on Linux, then search for Ubuntu. Now it should show you the page where you can check the instructions that are specific to Ubuntu's repository addition related statements. So here you see the first being you will have to add this package repository in your list of repositories to check during update. Right, next thing we'll call for wget. Right, then paste it again here, hit enter. Okay, okay. Right, now next thing, go for sudo apt update, and it should check all the packages. Right, so it should release, and now we can check for sudo apt install PostgreSQL. If you have any specific version in mind, you can also search for that. Right, so I'm not going to do that and go with the default one. Right, so it will install the most default package available. Right, so currently it's the smallest package, will only install database and service. So if you want anything additional packages, you will have to call and download those packages. Right, so what we'll do is once this is released, I can go and check for service. Right, okay, so as you can see here, it has selected some of the defaults for me already, like time zone, maximum connections, right, shared buffers. So first thing is checking sudo systemctl, then restart, and then PostgreSQL dot service. Right, and let's see what it shows. Now sudo systemctl status PostgreSQL dot service, and you see the active service. Right, now what we can do is we can type in sudo space then passwd Postgres. So I'm going to set password for Postgres. Now once the password is added, what you can do is you can type in sudo then su then dash l and then Postgres. Right, so here you can see you are getting the prompt for Postgres. So once you move to that, you can type in psql, and there you have it. You have Postgres installed. Also you managed to create a Postgres user, change its password, and also now you can use Postgres psql shell on your terminal.